Hey guys, what's up? It's AT with Max Force Pest Control. So we're out here on this brand new neighborhood. So we have houses actually being built on both sides of the street here. So one of the requests that we actually get a lot is for new construction to come out and treat. So these families are actually moving into these brand new homes, and they're noticing, plenty of crickets, a lot of spiders along the lighting area inside the kitchen windows and so on. So a lot of silverfish. So these families are actually sitting down watching TV together, and they're actually having kind of these insects crawling around or whatnot. Although turn on a light and there's a cricket in the bathroom or silverfish in the kitchen and so on. So one of the major requests that we get is come out and do an initial treatment, which is actually plays a really good part for new construction and families moving into their homes. So click on the link below and it'll actually take you straight to our website. We're able to request an appointment so we can go out and inspect your property and get something started for you. So click on the link below and we'll see you on the other side.